Here are potential hidden issues for the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. 1. High maintenance costs. The powerful engine and performance components may lead to higher than average maintenance and repair costs. 2. Limited daily usability. Due to its aggressive suspension tuning and performance-focused design, comfort and practicality may suffer for daily driving. 3. Fuel efficiency. The supercharged engine is likely to have poor fuel economy, impacting long-term running costs. 4. Tire wear. The car's immense power and torque may cause excessive tire wear, especially with frequent drag racing or aggressive driving. 5. Cooling system stress. Under extreme driving conditions, the cooling system might struggle to handle the heat generated by the high-performance engine. 6. Resale value fluctuation. Limited edition muscle cars can either retain value exceptionally well or experience significant depreciation depending on market trends. 7. Weight impact on handling. The Challenger is a heavy vehicle, which can negatively affect cornering dynamics compared to lighter sports cars. 8. Technology reliability. Advanced infotainment and performance systems might experience glitches over time, requiring software updates or repairs. 9. Insurance costs. The high performance and limited edition status may lead to higher insurance premiums,